DGPS surveyors play a crucial role in the development and planning of various projects in Gurgaon Sector 23. With their expertise, they provide accurate measurements and data that are essential for designing and construction purposes. These surveyors utilize advanced DGPS technology to ensure precision and efficiency in their work. By using satellite signals, they can determine exact locations and measurements of land, buildings, and other structures. This information is then used by architects, engineers, and developers to create detailed designs and plans for construction projects. One of the leading DGP surveyors in Gurgaon Sector 23 is SCON Design. This company has a team of highly skilled and experienced surveyors who are well-versed in the latest DGPS technology. They have a deep understanding of the local topography and terrain, which allows them to provide accurate and reliable surveying services. Whether it is measuring land boundaries, conducting topographic surveys, or monitoring construction progress, SCON Design ensures that their clients receive the most precise and up-to-date information. The use of DGPS technology in surveying has revolutionized the industry. It has significantly improved the accuracy and efficiency of surveying processes. By utilizing DGP satellites, surveyors can quickly and accurately determine coordinates, distances, and elevations. This eliminates the need for manual measurements and reduces the chances of human error. Moreover, DGP surveying allows for real-time data collection, making it easier to monitor construction progress and make necessary adjustments. In Gurgaon Sector 23, where development projects are on the rise, the expertise of DGP surveyors is invaluable. They provide essential information that helps developers make informed decisions regarding land use, design, and construction. In Gurgaon Sector 23, DGPS surveyors play a significant part in the construction and planning of numerous projects. They offer precise measurements and data, which are necessary for designing and building, thanks to their knowledge. To ensure accuracy and productivity, these surveyors operate using cutting-edge DGPS equipment. They are able to pinpoint the precise positions and dimensions of land, buildings, and other things using satellite signals. Architects, engineers, and developers use this information to produce comprehensive designs and blueprints for building projects. SCON Design is one of the top DGP surveyors in Gurgaon Sector 23. This organization employs a group of surveyors who are highly qualified, experienced, and knowledgeable about the most recent DGPS technology. They are able to offer precise and dependable surveying services because they have a thorough awareness of the topography and terrain in the area. SCON Design makes sure that their clients obtain the most accurate and recent information, whether they are measuring land boundaries, performing topographic surveys, or watching construction progress. The sector has undergone a transformation thanks to the usage of DGPS technology in surveys. The techniques involved in conducting surveys